Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavna and today we will discuss electricity. So, why we are studying the chapter on electricity? Because we know that electricity is very important for us. If we want to operate any electrical device in our home such as electric refrigerator, electric fan or electric oven, then we require this electricity. If we have no electricity, then we can't do anything. So, how is the electric current produced? Electric current, in our books we have studied that electric current is produced by the flow of charges. In your recent classes, you may have studied that if you have a silk road, and आपने उस silk road को बहुत ज़्यादा rub किया और उसके बाद आप छोटे छोटे पेपर ऑफ क्रैम्प्स लेंगे और उस सिल्क रोड को जब उसके पास लेके जाएंगे तो यू मे हैव सीन कि वो पेपर्स उस सिल्क रोड की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. व्हाई दिस हैपेंस? बिकॉज वी नो दैट सिल्क रोड के अराउंड चार्जेस डेवलप हो जाते हैं रबिंग के दौरान, और वही चार्जेस जब पेपर की तरफ जाते हैं तो पेपर में भी चार्जेस आते हैं और अनलाइक चार्जेस जो होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. क्या वहां पर हमें कोई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जैसी चीज दिखाई देती है? नो वे. व्हाई? बिकॉज वहां पर कैसे चार्जेस इन्वॉल्व हैं? स्टैटिक चार्जेस. चार्ज जो है वो रुका हुआ है, फ्लो नहीं कर, तो इसलिए वहां पे हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी बनता हुआ फील नहीं होता. बट हाउ द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड? यू मे हैव सीन कि आपको मना किया जाता है कि अगर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक वायर है, it is made up of copper, aluminum, anything, you don't touch the naked wires, right? Why? Because the naked wires may carry the electric current and you may get the shock if you will touch that electric wire. So, how this current is produced? That current is produced by the moving or flow of the charges. So, what is the current actually? The current is produced by the flow of charges. So, the current is called the rate of flow of charge. एक सेकेंड में या एक यूनिट टाइम में कितना चार्ज फ्लो कर रहा है, that will make the electric current. Electric current is equals to the rate of flow of charge. And the current is represented by the symbol I, the charge is represented by the symbol Q, and the time by T. So, what is the unit of current? The unit of current is ampere. Current is measured in ampere. And the symbol for ampere is A. And the unit of charge is coulomb. And it is represented by C. And you know that the unit of time is second. And it is represented by the S. So, we knew about the units of the current. So what is the direction of the current? Conventionally, the direction of the current is taken to be from positive terminal to the negative terminal. But the actual flow of electron takes place from this negative terminal to the positive terminal. Means the direction of current is taken opposite to the direction of the flow of electron. For example, I ask you a question that this is an electric wire in which the electron is flowing downward. And tell me, what will be the direction of the current? So, the direction of the current will be opposite to the flow of the electron. So, this will be towards upward direction. And the next thing is that what do we mean by 1 ampere? 1 ampere. So, from the formula, we know that I is equals to Q by T. How this I will be 1? When you will take the 1 coulomb of charge and 1 second of the interval. So, if एक सेकेंड में कितना चार्ज, एक कूलम चार्ज एक सेकेंड में जो फ्लो करेगा, that will be equal to the 1 ampere of the current produced. So in this video, we have covered the electric current and how it is produced, what is the formula of the electric current. In my further videos, we will learn about the electric circuit, potential difference, and many more things. So stay tuned with me. Thank you.